Where do I... I'll just put that right there. Hey! Hello. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's Monday. I'm tired. My throat really hurts because I got sick this weekend. But hey, it is what it is. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video! Boop. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all of the shoes from this beater box that we opened over the weekend for sale today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, that's pretty much all that has to do with anything right now. Hello, pals. Well, had some kind of weekend. I will say I was at SneakerCon Chicago this weekend, but I didn't know that I was gonna be there until Friday night. So I wasn't able to like promote or really tell anybody, but hey, I was there, and if you saw me or if you didn't, that's cool. I appreciate it. I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Swayze for opening a beater box with me on stage at SneakerCon. You guys can follow his channel. It's down below in the video description. He's a beater box member as well. He does videos. They're very well done. I thoroughly enjoy Swayze's videos, and I thoroughly enjoy Swayze and his camp because they are all cool dudes. But we did open a beater box live on stage at SneakerCon, and we're gonna do like a recap kind of thing. So also want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Reshoevn8r. Check this out. This is the Advanced Deodorizer Disinfectant Spray. So these shoes are all clean. I used Reshoevn8r, but we're gonna spray them with this stuff to make sure that they're not icky. Not that they're icky already, but this stuff actually neutralizes odors and disinfects. So pretty awesome for those of you who want your shoes to be clean if you buy pre-owned pairs. But definitely go check out Reshoevn8r, reshoevn8r.com. You can use my code SBMitch to save 10% off of anything like this here bottle of advanced deodorizer. Not this one, because I've used it. You can see that, oh no, there's no opening, but there's probably about that much in there. I use it pretty often because I want the shoes that I sell on my website to not be gross. And Reshoevn8r makes them not gross. This is the only beater box video I've ever filmed that I actually already know what shoes are in here, so it might be kind of boring. But this box was from Sole Supremacy. This one was $1,250 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $1,290. We're still gonna keep track of how much everything's worth. Follow along with the counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. Then stick around until the end of the video because I break it down to show you how much it's worth versus how much we paid. So without further ado, let's get into this box that all the shoes are already opened and already cleaned. So so let's get into this box. The first shoes, there were two loose pairs in this box. The first shoe we pulled out was this pair of 2013 GRAPE 5s. It's a size 9. It comes with the lace locks, but there is some discoloration on the cages and on the outsole. These cleaned up really well, I will say. I mean, it's a size 9. There is some insole wear. The value on these is probably not too much, probably close to about $100, probably less. But I mean, you can see the discoloration on the eyelets right there, on the cage, on the outsole. Not much heel drag, but hey, they cleaned up really nicely. So that was the first pair out, a size 9 GRAPE 5 from 2013. Then the other loose pair we got was a size 10.5 pair of Foamposites. This is the Yeezy or the Blink colorway. These are in phenomenal shape, just a little bit of outsole discoloration. These do glow in the dark. I mean, the Nike Air inside the insole is obviously gone because if you wear it for 10 minutes, it's gonna be gone anyway. But this has the original laces with the bright pink, ooh, there's a hair on my hoodie, with the bright pink aglets. Yeah, these are in great shape. Just no box, but it's a 10.5 Yeezy Foamposite. Let's get into the shoes with boxes. The first shoe with a box we pulled out was a grade school pair. It was an Air Jordan 12 Retro GG in a size 7 youth. The colorway was called Vivid Pink. That's, I guess, what the nickname is, but these are worn, but super, super lightly. The outsole had some wear, but I cleaned it off really, really well. So no heel drag. Jumpman is fully intact in there, which is very cool. Comes with the original inserts. Everything's in great shape. It's got the original box, so I don't know what, I mean, you guys know how much of a hard time I have selling grade school pairs, but very nice colorway, and it's an okay size because it's a little bit bigger, but size 7 youth Vivid Pink 12s. And then we pulled out a Nike Air Max 97 in a size 12. This is a 2019 release. I didn't know what this was at the SneakerCon event, but apparently this is called the All-Star Jersey. It's just an Air Max 97 with blue and red piping. I cleaned the outsoles very well. Actually, they cleaned up like super, super nicely. Not much tread loss or anything. I'm just not a fan of 97s, but these cleaned up super, super nicely. The insole says 1991 on the inside. It comes with the original box. Can't really complain. Let's hit this with the Rejuvenator stuff. Whoop. It's nice. You just spray it like 2 or 3 times and it smells fresh. So you do have to leave it. You do have to leave it out to dry a little bit, but yeah. Now they're disinfected. Thanks, Rejuvenator. And this is where the box gets really good. I got really excited about this box. So I think we pulled out. Oh yeah, we had a Yeezy. Okay, so we had this Yeezy 350 Boost in a size 5. This pair, I had a hard time telling if they were dead stock or not. After I clean them, you can't even tell anymore. But it is a size pair of super near dead stock condition Yeezy creams. You can see no discoloration or wear on the bottoms. The insole has all of the letters in there. So, I mean, these could pass for dead stock, but they're not dead stock. I did wash them through the washer with the Rejuvenator detergent. So these, I mean, these look brand new. So size 5 creams, these are probably going for like $230 to $250 right now, just because it's winter. These will definitely be worth more in the springtime. So there's that. Pulled out one off-white, not really the greatest though, but still a good pair. It's the off-white Nike Zoom Fly Mercurial in the total orange colorway. It's a size 10.5. These are pretty lightly worn. I mean, you can see there's some creasing on the outsole from wearing it. It is a running shoe. A little bit of outsole wear, not much, no drag or anything. The logo on the insole is still there. I mean, it came with original all except for, like, there is the dust bag, but it only had one of the green laces, so that was kind of a bummer. But yeah, a nice bright orange shoe that's really lightweight. I mean, I think these are going for like 200 around-ish, something like that. So that was the, what? This was the 6th pair out. This was an off-white Zoom Virgil Abloh thing. And the box keeps getting better and better, believe me. We had 2 Air Jordan 1s. It's a size 10 Air Jordan 1 in the shadow colorway. This matches, if you're into coordination on your outfits, this matches with everything. I mean, it's a wonderful shoe. A little bit of insole wear. You can see the Nike Air is gone, but I mean, these are in solid shape. I mean, no star loss, no heel drag, just a little bit of creasing on the toe box and on the back. So I did clean them, but hey, let's deodorize them. There's no smell or anything. I just want to disinfect them. These do come with the extra laces too, so that's pretty cool. Nice. So these are gonna smell super fresh. Got a size 10 pair of Shadow 1s from 2018. One of the better, I mean, the leather quality on these is super, super underrated in my opinion. I think the leather quality on these is better than the Royals. That's just my personal opinion. Then we had another Jordan 1 in a size 10 as well. This one was very surprising to me. We had a 2016 release of an Air Jordan 1 in the top 3 colorway. These are, again, the same kind of condition. Hardly any star loss, no heel drag, just a little bit of insole wear. Yeah, the size sticker is still in there, but the Nike Air was gone. I don't know why, but it doesn't have any of the extra laces. There's one extra white lace, but that's it. These are in really great shape as well. I had them legit checked, even though I know they're gonna be legit because they're coming from Sole Supremacy, but we had them legit checked at SneakerCon for a feature on their Instagram. So that was pretty cool. These are already clean, but let's give them a good old spray of disinfectant. Nice. Cool. And then we have a disinfected pair of size 10 top 3s. Very cool. And there was one shoe left in here. You could not plan this out better, but we had a Nike SB release. But it is a Jordan 1 SB Quick Strike. Pro skater Lance Mountain used to spray paint or just paint his Air Jordan 1s just to be cool, just for fun, and why not? So we had a pair of the white Lance Mountain 1s. These are in phenomenal shape, which is awesome. You got no star loss, no heel drag. So it's basically, whoa, it's a Jordan 1 band colorway, painted with white, and a Royal 1 spray painted with white too. So the paint eventually wears off to reveal the Jordan 1 colorways that are oh so popular. These are, I mean, there's a little bit of spots where it's starting to wear off, but not very much at all. A little bit of creasing. I mean, I was super amped on these. The insoles have this crazy detail. It's got SB laces on it too, so it's a little bit more like FOAMPOSITE laces, but very awesome shoe to get, and I mean, you couldn't have planned it better. So that was the last shoe out, a Lance Mountain Jordan 1, and that was a $1,250 Sole Supremacy beater box. Like, this box is probably one of my favorite boxes I've ever opened, and it was super cool to open it live at SneakerCon. But let's take a look and see how much potential profit there is in this box. There's probably gonna be a lot.
Big down!
Yeah, this box is, I mean, this box was a home run in every sense of the word. So thank you again to Sole Supremacy. Thank you again to Resjuvenator for disinfecting these things. Remember to use my code SBMitch10 at checkout at resjuvenator.com to save yourself 10% off of your order for all your sneaker cleaning and disinfectant needs, because this stuff really, really works very well. I mean, you'll see on the pictures. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about all the pictures that'll be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, ransomnotesneakers.com. All these shoes will be for sale because I haven't even put them on GOAT yet. So remember, domestic shipping and all taxes are always included. So that's a little bit of a plus. Everyone enjoy the rest of your Monday. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. Till then, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. That's it. They're supposed to be fun. So make it fun. Okay, see you later. Bye!